hard it is being a doctor. Sometimes it's very rewarding. Sometimes it's very, I can say, depressing to devastating. And those moments, you know, they lie very close to each other, so that you have a roller coaster of reward, guilt, not precisely guilt, but I can say bad feeling. So today, after a very hectic schedule of like back to back 10-15 days, because most of the team in my hospital, they had gone on Eid occasion, like holidays. So today they were supposed to report back, most of them. So I had planned to take a break today, but I had this very young child in my ICU, like 16-17 years. Day one, he had a roadside accident, road traffic accident. So then after that, initially seemed sick, but not that very, I can say upfront on day one. He was not really that very bad. Slowly he began issues and other things erupted. He had some occult injuries. We started managing them. Then from brain standpoint, utha nahi patient jaldi. So we had plans for something else, but God had different plans. But every time when his father and mother would come to me, they would weep, and I would also feel that fatherly feeling, that how it feels to touch the skin of your child, and what it would be for I can say for parents to see their child whom they loved and cared for, and made him a teenager. So it was very hard for me, but somehow I tried to steer through it, and I had a great hope that he should recover and he should come. But then this is critical care medicine, so lot many times there are miracles, lot many times there are things that go against your expectation. And suddenly during yesterday night, he was sick, and we tried everything in our hand to desperately try to take him out. But eventually in the middle of night, like at morning precisely 3:15, we lost the child. I couldn't sleep whole night, and I had plans for this day to have vacation and to have something. So it does feel hard, but it's like you're fighting battle. You get wounds, you get rewards, you get small successes at times. Then you fall with these things, and sometimes it's very hard to come in terms with all those things. And this is what the limits and limitations of medicine are, that you are not God, but after falling with such an incident, showing up again and starting fresh battle is what about medicine and being a doctor is. But it's really challenging. Lot many times you think that you should change your profession, do something else, but then you feel that maybe you should stay and not move away. And I request the children, particularly teenagers, that please be responsible for your actions. Whatever you do, and in the heat of moment, it leaves a scar on your family, on your parents. So don't do things like rash driving or other things. Thank you very much.